that I need. And these lines are just going to be super light. And I'm making them a little darker. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my flare pen because I want to make sure that this can be seen. And well, I had a flare pen. All right, I'm just gonna use a blue pen. Okay. So with this, I like to use the back side of this and just start lettering. And so what I recommend is go ahead and start with practicing first. So here's A. And then just determine which one you like best. And I'm good with this. And I would try and replicate that over and over again. Now the letter B, you know, you see how I'm using the straight edge, and I'm just trying to, you know, develop that muscle memory. I really like that one. That one's okay. Ooh, nope, take that back. I like this one better. So, the letter C, I always have trouble with the letter C. This one. The letter D. There we go. And my sevens are kind of similar, and I do that on purpose. Okay, now I can use this, or I can choose not to. You know, it's really whatever feels comfortable to you. So let's check out the letter E. I like that one. Nope, don't like that one. All right, let's go with the letter F. Ooh, I like that one. In fact, I want my E's to look more like that. There we go. Yeah, that's the way to do it. So you see how I'm making it, you know, my own. So F, O, G. So I use this same, and then I just add this. So the letter G is essentially the same as the letter C. There we go. H. Now I'm just going to freehand this. I'm going to freehand the rest. So this is H. I like to do this. There we go. Yep. I. And then J. All right, the letter K. Nope, don't like that. Don't like that one. Nope. Yeah, that's the one. The letter L. Yeah. And you can see how, this repetition, you're starting to develop your lettering, and what you should go for every time. That's why I'm marking these. So this one, no. This one, yes, 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 yes. And you should do the same as well. The letter M. I like to do it like this. Letter M. The letter N. O. The letter P. I like that. I like that. I like this one. There we go. Q. R is going to be exactly like the P, just with the little kickstand. I don't like that one. There we go. The letter S. I have issues with the letter S. I can never get this letter right. But anyway, you can clearly see how this is going to take practice. This is how you develop that muscle memory in order to get this right. Numbers are pretty easy as well. Let's Oop, I'm supposed to go every other one. There we go. Definitely take the time to practice this. Oh, the letter T. The letter U, I always like to make it like the letter J. The letter V. I like this one. I like that one. V's okay. The letter W. I like to make it look like the M, but in reverse. Let's see. So this one, this one, this one, this one. The letter X. I like a little. There we go. That's the one. Y. You could do Y's like this or like that. I like this one myself. And then Z. That's the one. Number 0. Now, some people put a line through it. That's okay. Let's see. Number 1. Number 2. So that one's good. That one's good. That one's good. That one's good. The number 3. I try and make the number 3 this like the letter B. That's good. So the number 4, I keep it pretty simple. Number 5. 6, 7, 8 is pretty simple. Yeah, I'm good with that. The number 9, and there you go. Practice that. You know, I need to practice my S's. Yep, they are terrible. So, yep, just practice, practice, practice. I like to practice using my daily lists, and I practice my lettering all the time. And for whatever reason, my hand and mind cannot do the S for it's my my one letter that just, it is what it is. All right,